Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the grille on your BMW 3 Series. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a T20 torque screwdriver. Always work on a level surface with the engine off for safety. Remember to apply painter's tape around the grille to prevent any scratches to your vehicle's finish during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free installation. Now, let's get to removing the old grille. Open your hood and identify the top mounting tabs. Using your trim removal tool, carefully pry each clip open. Take your time and work your way around the entire grille, ensuring all clips are released without forcing them. This gentle approach prevents damage to the surrounding bumper and ensures an easier installation of your new grille. With the old grille out, it's time for the exciting part, installing your new one. Carefully align the new grille with the bumper openings. Apply firm, even pressure to each clip location until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's securely in place. Go around the entire perimeter, ensuring every clip is fully engaged. A proper fit is crucial for both aesthetics and long-term durability. You're almost done. Close the hood and take a moment to admire your work. Check the new grille for perfect alignment and ensure there are no gaps. Carefully remove any painter's tape you applied earlier and give the surrounding area a quick clean. Your BMW 3 Series now has a refreshed look. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.